Wake up, cookie butter. Hiccup. There's that eye. There, where's Daddy? Don't close that eye on me. There you go. There you go. Oh, here we go. Here we go. And no. Popo, popo me banana. There you go. There you go. Get your drunk ass awake. And no. Boom. And he's gone. Choky. Oh, Choky.
And the funny thing is, he woke up on his own.
Krishy, but when is he supposed to eat?
2:30.
Krishy, poppy. Is that 4 hours for him? 2:30? Or that's 3 hours?
4. 10:30 to 2:30.
It's 3 o'clock.
Yeah. So I'm feeding him.
Oh, you're in the process of feeding him. Oh, okay. How many does he drink? 1 ounce?
No. 2.
Oh, Goku butter, you gotta wake up. Open those eyes. Open those eyes.
Change his diaper, maybe.
Let's blow in his face.
I did that. Didn't work.
Let's fart in his face. My little Choco. Need a Toki. Get him, mommy. Get him. Hey, Choki, ni mo kitty, bo kitty, bo kitty, bo kitty. Nope, he might have to change his diapers. He might have to change his diapers, might be, diapers, might be, diaper, 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 diaper.
He's awake.
Dappity. He's like, get off me, mama. Get your leggy off of me. Oh yeah, he's waking up. Hey, Cookie. He's like, Dad, you pissed me off right now. Dad, you pissed me off right now. Dad, I was sleeping, Dad. Can't wait till I get out of here. Right, Jane? I mean, right, Chrissy? Right, Chrissy, boy?